All right, so I want to make sure I answer questions that may occur moving forward. All right, I had a message this morning, and so I want to help my friend there as well as anybody else that may come to the channel. I want you to pay attention as I scroll forward. All right, so the question was pretty much centered around provide analysis. All right, with the information. So I'm gonna kind of just show you this. All right, I'm not an alert service. All right, so I want to make sure that I say that I'm not an alert service. I'm sharing my tools, and occasionally I am going to give you some information. And that's why it's more important to watch the videos. To be honest with you, it really is. I'm not going to click on every one, but I just want to kind of give you an idea. Now, this one may be relative moving forward because I'm telling you on this hourly, this low, it's weak. So if you haven't taken the time to go through any of my posts, you won't know that the analysis have been there. You won't know it. So you'll have to go back. Again, I'm not an alert service. I want to make sure that I say that to you. I am not. So do take your time. If you can, just come to the channel, take a moment and just kind of sift through the information. Then you'll see I am actually providing analysis, but you would have to come and take a look. All right, so let's just do this, and then it came back off that level there. And so I wanted to make sure that I share that with anyone else that comes to the channel. This information is just to be shared, with you guys. I'm not trying to get you to buy anything. I can promise you that. All right, you're more than welcome. Let's do Bitcoin. Here's Bitcoin. All right, this is where it started. I'm gonna just do this really quickly here, and then yes, here. All right, so let's kind of go forward. Matter of fact, this is at the end. Let's go forward. Let's go backwards. How about that? So this is where it started. All right, and in that video prior to what you're seeing here, I was actually explaining to you guys what was happening. That's why you see those zones drawn on the chart there. All right, so the next thing I want to show you, let's do this, because on yesterday I gave you guys a price. All right, this price here. Actually, I gave you two, and this one right here. Now, I woke up this morning, and we're here. All right, and I was aware of that price, and there's where the range is actually landing on that first price that I gave you. I don't have a strategy. I really don't. And so, my friend, I want to tell you that, I I can't provide an analysis on every post that I make. I'm a professional trader. It's unprofessional for anyone to require that or expect that. That's unprofessional in my opinion because I started when there was no prop firms. All right, I've been doing this for a very long time. I even had my business online. I took it off because I don't like engaging with the public because the public want too much. They demand too much. They expect too much. It would just kind of make sense for anyone out there if you want to experience what's making me say these prices. Just purchase the suite. It's $100. It's no real commitment there, no revolving costs. You don't have to spend $300, $400 or come to my channel. You can come here and learn for free. I'm not going to do this to you. Everybody online is doing this to you. All right, so I'm not here for YouTube clicks. I'll be getting offline for months at a time. I'm not here for that. I just want to help. All right, and that's all it is. You don't know how to read the bars? I'll tell you how to do it, how to know what type of bar to be before it closes. While it's in motion, you can know where the stop has been set while the bar is still jumping up and down. Tons of price action information, and it's free, thousands of dollars worth of information. I'm just wanting to give it all away. Even the tools, you can come here if you want, and just like I said, you can enjoy the tools. If you want to just look at the videos, you're more than welcome. All right, but I want to definitely say that to my friend and anybody else that's coming along. I am not an alert service. All right, so I'm not going to explain to you every post. That's unprofessional, and to be quite honest, I don't need anyone else's analysis in order to know where the market is going. I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care.